I actually asked npm to install only one package called Express, but in total I see that 50 packages were added. And that's due to the fact that Express package itself has a lot of different own dependencies. And in a moment we will explore that. Also, we see that there is one new additional file called package-log.json, and there is also a folder called node_modules. And this folder, if you expand it, contains many different subfolders like body parser, bytes, cookie, debug, dpd, and so on. If you scroll a bit down, you should find, of course, package called Express. That's that single package that we asked npm to install. Right, let's go to package.json file and explore what was changed in it. I will find such section as dependencies here, and now it has single record called Express. Here I see power sign, afterwards I see number 4.17.1, and if I go back to the web browser, I'll find exactly this version listed here, 4.17.1. And it means that when you enter npm install command, it will install latest version available at npm. And in my case, such version is 4.17.1. Now let's quickly go back to the web browser, and here let's click on the Dependencies tab. And you'll find that there are many different dependencies of the Express package itself, and they are listed here. You see such packages as accepts, body parser, content disposition, and so on. And if you go back to the project and expand node modules folder, you'll basically see all those mentioned dependencies, like accepts, body parser, and so on. This means that when you install a particular package, like Express, npm will install all its own dependencies. But how it understands where those dependencies are located? Let me show you. Let's open up package-log.json file, this one. And here in this file, let's search for Express, like that. You'll find such package as Express. Its exact version that was installed, it is 4.17.1, and in my case it matches with version listed here in the package.json file. And also in the package-log.json file, if you scroll a bit down, you'll find such section as requires, and it lists all dependencies of the Express package itself. And in this list, you find such packages as accepts, array flatten, body parser, and so on and so forth. All packages that are listed here on the web page. That's how npm understands which additional packages need to be installed in your project. Also, please notice that those packages might have their own dependencies. For example, if I copy name of this package and search for it here, I'll find that it requires its own packages like bytes, content type, debug, dpd, and so on. And if I go to node modules folder here, I'll find here, for example, dpd package, here it is, or debug, here it is. And that's why installation of the npm packages took so long. It installed all packages in the chain. It found dependencies of this package, then it found all dependencies of its dependencies, and so on and so forth. And just for single Express package, in total there are 50 different installed packages in our project.